Looking for a powerful gaming laptop? Consider the Acer Predator Helios 16, a gaming beast that packs a serious punch. At the heart of this powerhouse is either a 12th generation Intel Core i7 or i9 processor. This is the latest and greatest from Intel, offering unparalleled performance for all your gaming needs. Whether you're battling it out in an intense multiplayer match or exploring vast, detailed open worlds, this processor ensures smooth, lag-free gameplay. But what's a great processor without an equally impressive graphics card? The Acer Predator Helios 16 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with NVIDIA RTX 3060, 3070, or 3080 GPUs. These graphics cards are designed to handle demanding NVIDIA games with ease, rendering every detail with stunning clarity. Whether you're dodging bullets in a fast-paced shooter or admiring the sunset in a high-fantasy RPG, these GPUs will make every moment look breathtakingly real. The Acer Predator Helios 16 doesn't stop at performance. It also boasts a 16-inch display, giving you a large, vibrant canvas to enjoy your games on. With such a spacious screen, you'll be able to spot every detail, immerse yourself in every world, and never miss a moment of the action. But let's not forget about the small touches that make a big difference. The Acer Predator Helios 16 has a well-designed keyboard that's comfortable for long gaming sessions, and it's customizable too, allowing you to personalize your gaming experience. The Acer Predator Helios 16 is a testament to what a gaming laptop can be. Powerful, robust, and immersive. It's not just a tool, but a portal to countless worlds, countless stories, and countless hours of fun. So why wait? Step up your game with the Acer Predator Helios 16. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's a game changer.